So ReThink is a UK-based manufacturer, developing our products to enhance meeting room spaces. So rooms that have got simple huddle spaces can become very complex projects in no time at all because of trying to add peripherals into this space. Our products enable that to happen really, really simply. We want to be one of the first. It's incorporating USB 3.2 Gen 1 as well as full 4K 60 Hz video in the same box using HDBaseT technology, which is why we've been supported by them on this event. That's important because people want the transmission distance from a larger room right the way down to a small space and a huddle room. Well, the joy is from a small meeting space that has only in the past might have had a single HDMI in it that would have only allowed a presentation to share your laptop content onto the screen. Now we can, if there's a room that's got more peripherals in it, cameras, speakers, microphones, those are elements, it enables us to put those elements into our box and then be able to use those peripherals in that space. And that goes right the way from the huddle room, right the way to the boardroom and other UC environments that are a lot larger. If there's a control system attached to our boxes, then then obviously you can use those in the traditional way of using a control system and selecting the correct inputs. However, there's auto switching capability. So in other words, if I'm at one end of the table and plug my USB-C in, I can then unplug and someone will plug in the other end, it'll automatically switch. There's no need to, in a lot of cases, to have a control system, which obviously in turn saves on cost and complexities within that meeting space. The reason I think you should come to ReThink and we should be your partner of choice is the fact that we value is one of our main elements, and being innovative and moving forwards. As I say, bringing in the technology together that enables you to answer all those questions and hopefully make it as future ready as possible. I wanted the challenge. I wanted to get back into the AV industry. I left it into another opportunities for the last 6 years, and it was great going to other events. The recent event, I went to the Peerless event, and it was like turning up an old family party with your old uncle and your cousins and stuff, and going, "Hi Carl, how you been? Where you been?" And it was great, and that just reminds me of how important this AV industry is and how small and everyone gets on with everyone. I think ReThink is a good fit for me as an employer, is because they are being innovative and it's a challenge, and they've got good product that I know from when I was a consultant and designing systems. I know that actually this answers a whole bunch of questions that are being asked by our customers.